Namaste, welcome to greetarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new here, if you like my content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so very much for all the positive feedback I'm getting. I'm so thankful, really means a lot. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is all about love love and romance. What's next in your love life? So that is going to be the reading for today. I haven't done this for ages, I guess. So yeah, so let's see. So we have 3 photos over here. For group number 1 we have a dragon mask. Okay, for group number 1 we have a dragon mask. Okay, for group number 2 we have a lantern, and for group number 3 we have a fan. Okay, hope you can see it. So group 1, group 2 and group 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, and then select the photo. Okay, so select intuitively, as I always say. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So pause the video if you need. So the timestamps will be in the description box and you can watch your video ahead. Okay, so let's start with group number 1. Okay, group 1, if you choose this dragon mask, then this is your reading. Okay, so with this dragon mask, a lot of happiness and prosperity is coming in your love life. I feel like that, and I feel the mask is coming out. The answers you need are coming, I'm getting here. And for some of you, if you were like in a relationship where you need to act different, maybe for some of you, you're moving out of that relationship where you were not feeling satisfied. Okay, and for some of you, you're removing the mask where you maybe in the past, for the sake of the relationship, you tried to be someone else. Now you're like, I don't want to be like someone else. I am me, and I want to show my true self to other people. So that kind of energy I'm feeling. You're going to show your true self, and because of that, I feel your romance is going to be like very good. That is what I'm feeling here. And for some of you, definitely you're seeing the true colors of a person, and maybe for some of you, getting out of this relationship. Okay, and if you're single, I see the person you meet will be like showing the true side. They're not hiding anything. I feel like that with that. Okay, they're not wearing a mask or something. Let's see anyways. So what's next in love for group number 1? What next in love? Okay, wow, look at that, guys. We have fertility, the Empress, we have power, and we have 3 of Cups. We are definitely, wow, look at this. For some of you, if you're single, I see you will meet this person and you might marry this person or something like that is coming here, guys. Oh wow, so this is a very power couple, I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, so if you're already in a relationship with this person, as I said, if you're already in a relationship, this person is I feel, you know, with these 2 cards, I have to say you got 2 major, that 2, 3 and 4. So I feel like if you are already married, you might be having children, or you might adopt a new pet or something like that. Okay, so I have to say a lot of happy times are coming in your love life. Okay, with this 3 of Cups, look at that card, look at this, you know, you're a power couple. Okay, if you're single, you're going to meet a person, as I said, who will not wear a mask, who will be showing their true side, and you will be like in your power. They will give you I feel they will include you in everything, like in equal opportunity. Maybe this person is like an Aries sign, or maybe Virgo. Okay, it can be a Virgo sign, Aries sign, or a Cup, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio sign. anything, okay? But yeah, this person, I feel this person is in their power, okay? So if you're single, if you're meeting, I feel you will meet a person who is going to be very much in their power. They know what they want from life, and I feel they're stable financially also, and they're not wearing a mask because they don't want to wear a mask. They're going to show you the true side of theirs, okay? They will not hide anything, I'm getting here, and because of that you will feel very, very happy. And for some of you, if you have already married this person, I feel, you know, if you were wearing mask, you're going to remove that mask and show your true self to this person, and this person will also be showing you the true side. I feel deep conversations are gonna happen in your love life, okay? First, yeah, I see your marriage is flourishing, happy times are coming. For some of you, definitely there is something to celebrate. Maybe you are getting married, maybe that is there to celebrate, or maybe you will be attending celebrations of your friends, or for some of you, you're definitely conceiving a child. If you so yeah, with this fertility card, definitely lot of motherly energy. You will be very happy in your love life, okay? You're going to be very happy, very prosperous. And if you're single, you're going to meet a person who will give you that happiness, you know, a family. If you want a family, yes, I see you will be having a family with this person, okay? He will give you power, he will give you he or she, you know, gender doesn't matter, I'm saying he, but definitely this person will give you a family. This person will give you kids, you know, the thing you want. They will vibe with you, because we have this 3 and 4 energy, so a lot of love, and this person is very caring, very kind, and at the same time they are in their power also. They are not gonna be someone else, okay? They will be they will show you the true side of theirs, okay? And this will be very good thing, okay? So if you're in a relationship already, I see this relationship progressing, okay? I feel you will be like sharing your fears with them, and yeah, I feel a lot of celebration vibe with these 3 cards. Definitely the mask is, you know, you're getting your answers. And if you're single, if you're you will meet this person soon, I'm getting, and you will be celebrating, you will be talking to your friends and celebrating that how good this person is, or something like that. But definitely a lot of abundance in your love life, okay? And financial wise, I also see, you know, you are getting a lot of growth in there also. A lot of growth, lot of happiness, lot of joy is coming next, okay? Yeah, prosperity, that is what I'm getting here. For group number 1, wow, that's beautiful. So you'll be like calling your friends and saying, if you're single, yeah, you will meet this person, you'll be like, oh my god, this person is so nice, they are like this, they are like that, and you'll be like celebrating with your friends or something like that. Or maybe for some of you, will meet them in a celebration, I'm getting here, in your friends, if you haven't already met this person. But definitely this person is going to change your life, I'm getting here. And if you're already in a relationship, your marriage is gonna bloom, I'm getting. You will extend your family. And if you have financial problems also, I see that all fading away, okay? Yeah, the mask is gonna go. And for some of you, definitely, if you are not happy in a relationship, you will be showing your true side and saying it out that I'm not happy, and you will be getting out of that relationship also. That is also. But if you are in a relationship, all I see is happiness, a lot of growing together, you know, of making family together, like adding a new member. That is what I'm getting. And celebrating. There is so much of celebration coming your way, okay, in your love. Yeah, unsettled times need to plan ahead, okay? So we will clarify these, okay? And forest, okay. Let's see, we'll check this also. We have forest, but I feel like, you know, time to act. We have lion here also, right? So yeah, there's a lot of passion here. Wow, trust your intuition, okay? Yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's clarify this kangaroo with this Witch's Tarot, okay? Lots of fun. Let's clarify kangaroo. Okay, a lot of cards came out, right? My god, what is this? Oh, again we have this Emperor coming here strong. So yeah, and we have, look at this King of Cups. So I feel I feel whenever you have problems, whenever you don't know what to do, what you need to act on, when you feel very very unsettled, this person will help you, this person will guide you. With this, look, we have the Emperor and the King of Cups. So this person is very emotional. At the same time, they know they're very balanced person. They're financial, they have two sides. They are very romantic, they care about their family, but at the same time they have this leadership quality also. So I feel if you are very unsettled, or if you don't know what to do next, if you are very unclear about something, this person will help you, I'm getting here. Okay, yeah. And we have this 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, and we have 4 of Swords. So this person is going to give you a lot of mental clarity, I'm getting. So this I'm getting, whenever you are not able to do something, this person will help you. If you're worried about your plans, about your career or something, if you don't know what to do, I feel this person will give you a lot of encouragement, and because of this person you will be able to rest easily, and you will be having you will be thinking, yeah, I should do this, and you will and for many of you, getting out of this 5 of Wands energy, look, this 5 of Wands energy is like conflicted energy, where you don't know, and we have this muddled in unclear thinking, right? So you don't know what to do, what to start, sometimes we get confused in our life, isn't it? So yeah, this person is going to help you with that also. So whenever you're confused, whenever you don't know what to do, this person will guide you, this person will give you the answers, and this person will give you the courage to act. And yes, and I feel this person is very intuitive also. I feel this person is going to guide you. Okay, and for some of you, definitely from this 5 of Wands to 6 of Wands, so yeah, definitely I feel you're going to be very relaxed. You're not going to stress about your love life anymore. You will be very relaxed. You will be feeling very very happy, very victorious about your love life. If you were very conflicted, very unclear thinking, if you had about your love life in the future, there is no unclear thinking. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you were thinking, why things are not happening for me, why I am always not getting the relationship I deserve. If you are in this times right now, that is all ending. Okay, so get out. So for some of you, I feel you need to get out and show yourself, show your true self to other people. Get out. Maybe you're not getting out, and maybe you are very afraid of dating again. So get out, use your intuition, because this person who is coming next for you guys is a very powerful person, at the same time very caring. It's like a Emperor plus King of Cups energy mixed. He knows where he wants to go in life. He's very determined to go, but at the same time very emotional, loving, caring, loves his family, loves, it's not I'm telling his, but it's not about gender. Okay, so yeah, whenever you are yeah, that is what this is all going. Okay, you are going to be very much, I'm getting a very passionate relationship here. If you're single, if you are maybe for some of you, if you're single, you're like, why my relationship are not taking off. You're very unclear about things. You're unclear whether you should date or not next. But yes, it's time to act. It's it's time to go for this relationship. Or maybe you have met this person and you are like, no, should I do this? I had so much. Or you're thinking about your past. Oh, I had this relationship and it didn't work out, and you're like very much unclear about this. Okay, so it's time to act. It's time to use your intuition, because this person will give you a lot of happiness, I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, so if you're single, definitely you need to it's time to act. It's time to know this person, because this person, and if you're already in a relationship, I see whenever you have these thoughts, when you are unsettled, this person is going to give you that advice that you need, and they will take you out from that kind of energy, I'm getting here. Okay, so wow, so that's beautiful. Venus, look, you got love. So lot of, with this Empress, this person and you will live a very abundant life, very prosperous life, very luxurious life I'm getting. Okay, so if you have met this person, if you're in a relationship with this person, remember in your future, even if you don't have that much wealth right now, if you're not having a luxurious lifestyle right now, in the future I see you having a lot of luxury, lot of you will be buying good things, you will have a very good life together I'm getting here. With this Venus love, definitely a lot of romance, also a lot of harmony, yeah, for some of you definitely you have met this person, maybe you're married also with this person. Maybe sometimes in relationship we don't talk, we don't communicate, because of that you had problems in the past, but I see you're overcoming all these challenges and you are becoming a power couple. Okay, so this pile is very strong, power couple. So in the next in your love life is a lot of love, lot of beauty, you are glowing, they are glowing, together you are becoming a one powerful team I'm getting here. Okay, and for some of you definitely you're extending your family. If you're if you have already a kid, maybe you are planning for another kid, but definitely a lot of celebration. And if you're single, as I said, definitely this person is best for you. You got this card, draw to romance. Yeah, a lot of romantic vibes I'm getting. This person is gonna give you a lot of flowers. I feel like that, rose or something like that. This person loves you a lot. I have to say that this person loves you a lot, and this person is going to give you a lot of abundance, lot of prosperity, lot of happiness, lot of joy. At the same time, he will help you, support you. If you want to do something in your career, this person is gonna support you. This person be your, they will like encourage you, yeah, go do it, follow your passion, like that kind of energy, very very equal relationship. Wow, this is like very nice. Okay, yeah, I'm loving this. So yeah, if you're single, if you have met this person, you need to use your intuition, because you will know that if this is the one. Yeah, you need to be grateful. Yeah, it's a new path here. I feel like that. Yeah, for some of you definitely, if you had problems in your marriage, you're resolving all that problems and taking new steps. Okay, and for definitely you, I feel if you're single also, you'll be very grateful that you met this person, and you will be like walking up, you're going to walk this ladder. It's a new path for you guys. There is so much love coming your way, guys. Oh God. But for some of you, definitely you're overthinking about this, and you're very afraid to get into this relationship. Maybe, but this person will give you, look, we have the 8 number here. This person is going to give you a lot of abundance, lot of happiness, lot of prosperity, and this person is going to help you change yourself. And I feel this person will make you love yourself also. There's a lot of celebration happening here. So you need to be more grateful. Okay, so things are going to change up for you guys. Past life relationship. Okay, so this person, yeah, because that's why this is so powerful. It's like a past life relationship. You have known each other before. Yeah, because that's why this relationship looks so strong, because you understand each other, you value each other, you do things for each other, you are showing your true self to each other, you're not hiding anything from each other. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, romantic, look, honeymoon. So as I said, romantic feelings. So if you're single, if you have some romantic feelings for this person, yes, this is the one, this is your person. And you will be enjoying your time. As I said, don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid. Trust your intuition. You're very if you're single, I see you're very very afraid to take that step. You're not acting because you're very afraid, because in your relationship, in your past, your relationship didn't work out or something like that, and you have feelings for this person, but you're not ready to go forward with this person or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, definitely it's worth taking a chance, I'm getting here, because this is going to be beautiful. And if you're in a relationship already, even if you have married for like 5 years or 6 years or 7 years, this will be like a honeymoon stage for you guys. You're gonna understand each other more, or maybe you will have celebration. You will be like celebrating your anniversary, and you're gonna get closer to each other. If you're in partnership, they will propose you, maybe you will go somewhere where you will travel, enjoy your time together. So all I see for you guys is a lot of happiness in your love life, lot of happy times. Yeah, all is coming like that only. You're moving together, to a new phase where there is going to be a lot of abundance, lot of happiness, lot of money also I'm getting. So yes, you will be traveling together. You will have you two I feel you two are like without even saying, what they are with what they are feeling. That kind of energy, like a soulmate relationship. So yes. Wow, beautiful, guys. So your marriage is getting stronger. If you're already married, your marriage is getting stronger in 2021. I feel like that. If you're single right now, if you're in partnership with this person, if you're dating this person, definitely I see this like next stage, marriage, children's, honeymoon stage and all. And if you're single, definitely this is the one. Okay. If you are confused with this person, definitely it's time to act. It's not the time to step back. It's time to step forward for all the singles out here. Okay, occupation. Yes, this person, as I said, this person will support you in your career also. Okay, there will be the major support. Okay, if you're doing something, if you're passionate about your work, this person is going to help you. They're going to lead you. They're going to support you financially also. I'm getting here. Okay. Yeah, you're getting out of this. So if you had financial problems, yes, definitely. So yeah, you maybe for some of you there is like finances problems also. This person might be helping you financially also. I see they will be helping you in career to grow. You'll be very grateful for to this person. Lot of happiness, lot of abundance. You're getting out of this. Maybe you had lack. You never felt that you will be loved. Okay, but finally you will be like loved. I feel like that kind of energy. Very strong pile. Okay, your 2021 is glowing. You're going to be very happy in your love life. Lot of joy, lot of abundance. Okay, I see that for you guys. Let's see for group number 1. Wow, group number 1. But always trust. For singles, this person is coming, but you need to trust your intuition. Your intuition will say that this is the one. Okay, so you need to trust. Maybe don't go with your eyes. Maybe this person might not look the one you thought of. Maybe they look different, but definitely you will know it from your heart that this is the one. So trust that. Okay, let's see. Soulmate, what I was saying. So this is your soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this. Okay. And they will manifest physically. So as I was saying, if you are single, then this is your soulmate, and you have manifest this person. So definitely you're gonna see this person. And if you're not single, because I'm not doing like a single one, this is for everyone. So if you're already married, remember this is your soulmate. So that is why you have this. Yeah. So yeah, definitely a lot of abundance. Okay, your love life is gonna shine. So be grateful. Give the gratitude to the divine. Always be grateful. Okay, very lavish life you will be living. I'm getting this person is gonna give you a lot of gifts. Okay, wow. So whenever you're stuck, they will take you out of that stuck feeling. Soul to soul connection. Wow, look at that, guys. I can't. Soul to soul connection. So yeah, definitely strong bond. No one can break you because you're showing your true self to each other. You're not hiding anything. You have the soul connection. You are meant to be together. So if you're single, look, so this is like a very strong message for a single people. This person and you're like doubting, what should I do, you're very unclear. So it's time to act, but at the same time trust your intuition, because your intuition will guide you. Okay, very strong relationship, very happy times, very prosperous times. And yes, you were feeling alone in your love life. Now this is not the case. For some of you will be growing in your career also. This person will be supporting you. A lot of love. Pile 1. Happy times ahead. Okay, bye bye, take care. Group number 2. So if you chose this lantern, then this is your reading. So for group number 2, I feel you have gone through a very dark time in your life. In the past, you were going through a lot of dark times, and finally I feel you are very hopeful about your future. Finally there is like light at the end of the tunnel. That kind of energy. You have gone through a very dark period, I guess. Finally finally you are seeing some light. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm feeling here for you guys for group number 2. Okay, the first message I'm getting here, that is that one. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's coming next in your love life for group number 2, because it's like a lighting, so something is lighting up in your life. Okay, some energies, hope is coming, I'm getting here. Finally hope is coming. You had lost all your hope, but finally the hope is coming back. Yeah, maybe you were focusing on yourself, maybe where you were focusing on your self love. Finally now you're very hopeful for the future. I get, finally you're overcoming your past and moving forward. Finally you're ready to move forward. I'm getting that energy here. Okay, yeah, 10 of staves, 10 of wands. You were exhausted, you were tired. Yeah, okay, there is an illusion. Okay, so yeah, with this moon energy, you were not able to see properly. Now you will be, in the future you will be able to see properly. Okay, finally you are moving away from that. Oh look, we have 3 of arrows and 2 of cups. Okay, so someone broke your heart. Maybe in the past you thought this person is your soulmate and this person broke your heart. Okay, and finally you're getting out of that, and you don't know why this person did this to you. Okay, so this is like, yeah, you might have gone through a breakup or something. I get that. Okay, now finally you're overcoming that, you're letting go of that, because I feel what was hidden is coming out into light. Okay, yeah, so something was hidden, you didn't know why this person broke up with you or something like that, and you were so sad. With these 2 cards coming out together, I feel like that you felt this person is your soulmate and they suddenly left you, maybe they ditched you or something like that, but you were like, why this person did this to me, why this happened, and you were in this dark phase in your life. I feel like that, because you thought this is the one, and then it was not the one, and you were like so sad, because this 3 of arrows is like your heart is like so hurt. Okay, with this person you felt that this is the one, and they didn't care for you or something like that. Maybe they turned out bad. Okay, and maybe this person was not meant for you, because I feel for this pile, maybe spirit wants to say you that yeah, I feel this was a lesson that you had to learn. Okay, maybe I feel because of this you have learned a lot about yourself. You have been working on yourself, you have been working on your shadow side. Okay, I because of this, we have this black and white, so you know that every person has a black and white side, right? So I feel you were working on yourself, you're working on growing, you are growing. Okay, so for this pile I feel like that this heartbreak made you learn a lot of things. Okay, and finally you are out. So the good news is you're going to see the dark so that means the darkness is going to be over, and now light is coming in your love life. Okay, so this, you are letting go of your past. Okay, finally 10 of staves energy, you're getting out of that illusions. Okay, maybe you have this illusion about your love life, maybe you're getting out of that. Okay, maybe you were trying to change this person, or maybe you were trying to control this person, and finally you know that what went wrong, and finally you are getting out of that illusion. I'm getting here. So yeah, now yeah, you had to learn things hard way, I'm getting here. Okay, but finally there is happy times coming. Okay, there is light coming. Okay, so maybe for some of you you're getting the answers, clarity, you're getting the clarity with this moon energy. The illusions are gonna fade away, you are getting the clarity finally, because we have this light, right? So the dark period is over for you guys. Yeah, look, yeah, for some of you were yeah, with these 4 cards coming up, increase in material worth or spiritual growth. So maybe you were focusing on yourself, on your spiritual health, and finally you were working on your career. So you were not so concerned about your love life, because you had gone through a very, very strong breakup, and finally you're moving away. Okay, maybe it can be a divorce also, because with this involvement with the law, maybe it can be a divorce also. You were going through that, and now you're getting clarity about, because you were working on yourself, you're doing good. Okay, so yeah, definitely. Yeah, okay, so some of you, it's like very hard phase for you guys, and finally you were working on yourself, finally you're working on your spirituality, and finally now the light is gonna shine. Okay, maybe you were in this process of divorce or something, finally you are Finally you are getting out of that situation, you know, with this involvement with law. Finally, yeah, finally you're working on yourself. Justice is coming. Okay, so yeah, I feel for many of you the karma is balancing here. Okay, and yeah, now it's the time for spiritual growth. It's the time for self-love. It's time for you are growing from inside. Okay, so there are friends who will be giving you great advice also in the situation, or maybe you will connect with a friend. Okay, for definitely this is a very hard time. You were going through a very hard time, but I see maybe if you had some documents problem or divorce problem, I think it's all going to end. Finally, you were so exhausted with your life, you don't know what to do. Finally, you are getting out of this. Okay, you're getting to your destination. Finally, the darkness is over. That is the good news for you guys. Okay, so finally you're going to love yourself. You will be doing things for yourself. Okay, yeah, if you were in a divorce or something, I don't know why I'm getting that with this involvement in the law, you're gonna be out of this. Okay, definitely this will be in your favor, I'm feeling. So you're gonna get a lot of answers why all this happened. You know, the illusion is gonna fade away. Finally you will see the light. And yes, you will be playing a different role. Definitely you're going to play a very different role. Now you're not going to be like, why this happened, because I feel this you are going to heal your past. Okay, you're not going to ask why this happened to me or something like that. You have been asking, you have been crying a lot, but finally you're getting out of your past. Now you don't care. Okay, yeah, you're going to love yourself. You have been working spiritually. Okay, so we have one card, and yeah, the card, yes, look, that's beautiful, guys. The card, next card is beautiful. Definitely your friends are with you. There are friends who are helping you also. Good luck. Yeah, now your good time is gonna start. Yes, and yes, I feel many of you are, it can be divorce, it can be a partnership that ended. Finally you're overcoming this. That is the good news. Finally you're going to see the light, and you'll be ready for next thing in your life. I'm getting here. Yeah, Pisces. Yeah, your intuition is also strong. Okay, your imagination. We have the Pisces. Okay, wait. And we have the moon also. Look at this, moon and Pisces. So yeah, imaginative, compassionate, healing, empathetic, mystical, adoring, magical, allowing, dreamy, spiritual, emotional, escapist, impractical, oceanic, self-pitying, illogical. Yes, so yes, you are getting out of that energy where you were pitying yourself, self-pity, darkness, where you were imagining things, where you were overthinking, where you were in the illusion. Finally the light is gonna come. All your illusion is gonna go. Okay, yeah, maybe you were like blaming yourself because of this relationship. You thought that you were the one who were in because of this that's why the relationship didn't work out, or where you were blaming yourself. Finally the things are getting into light, and you know that you are not the problem or something like that, and because of that you will be easily getting out of this relationship. I'm getting here. Okay, and finally, you know, you're going to trust, you need to trust your intuition, and you know better. Okay, yeah, that is what I'm feeling here. So yeah, you're getting out of that heartbreak, and finally you're going to see the light. Okay, so you're going to love yourself. Okay, yeah, again we have 6 contract. Look, yeah, something related to the law, something new, maybe yeah, maybe I'm getting this divorce vibe. So for some of you, definitely you will have if you are going through that process, maybe finally that was exhausting, and finally you're getting out of that. Okay, and you're going to start your new life. I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, finally you will be free. I'm getting, yeah, look, we have the card victory. Yeah, with this you're going to get the victory. Okay, so if you are stressing about this, you will get the victory. I'm getting here. Okay, so yeah, so next is victory, and you will be very happy in your life. You will be happy. Even if you're single, you will be happy. Okay, and I feel for many of you, you will be very happy with your career also. You will have no problem in your career also. Okay, there is victory coming. Okay, so yeah, with this thing, you know, if you are going through some process, you know, some legal issues, you will get the victory. Okay, okay, and for some of you, if it's not divorce, if you ended a relationship, you're getting out of that. Okay, you're coming out of that, you're letting go of your past, you're beginning your life. Yeah, you're not going to blame yourself anymore, and you're going to see the light. You are healed. That is what I'm getting here. You're going to heal. You're going to see the light I'm getting. So now you're ready for next thing in your life. So that is what is coming here, okay? Yeah, you're going to see the beauty of yourself. For this pile, it's like self-love. You're embracing yourself, you're loving yourself, you're embracing, you're going to see the beauty of yourself, who you are, what you are, and not maybe in the past you were lowering your standards for someone else. Now you're not gonna do it, okay? Because you have learned things very hard way, I'm getting here for some of you. And yes, now you're going to enjoy your life, okay? You're going to enjoy your freedom, I'm getting here, okay? No one can stop you now. I feel like that, because you're very empowered. This situation has made you very strong. I feel like that. Okay, we got 2 cards here. 3 cards, okay. Release your ex. Yeah, definitely. Trust you. I was correct. Very soon. Okay. So yeah, definitely you are releasing your ex, and then you need to trust, and then very soon. Look, very soon things are going to be all okay. For some of you, definitely you will meet a new person who will give you that happiness. And if you are not ready, and it's okay, because I see you will be getting victorious in your career. And I feel this pile is like focusing on their love, self-love. Okay, so pile number 2, you need to trust everything is okay, okay? And yeah, you need to release your ex, release your past. You're completely, I was correct. I feel this is a confirmation here for me. And look, trust, everything will be okay very soon. If you're going through this legal thing, definitely we have this victory coming here for you guys, okay? So the next is, all I see is victory for you guys. Everything is gonna be good. And I see a friend here who will be helping you, okay? For some of you, definitely there is a friend who will be helping you, will be giving you emotional support, okay? So yeah, trust this process, trust the universe, trust your spirituality. I feel you're getting into spirituality also because of this was very hard for you guys. Now it's the time to trust, okay? Maybe for some of you it's related with children, or maybe you need custody of children or something. You will get it, okay? You will be victorious. I'm getting that. Okay, you got 3 cards here. Let's see. Yeah, look, you were in despair. Why this is not happening? But look, maybe yeah, official thing, something about official, official documents, something related to law, something related to the documents. You had problem, but finally, look, you will be overcoming that. Yeah, finally the light is gonna shine. You have endured a lot with this. Maybe this person had power also, maybe they had some high power, and you have to deal with a lot of things, okay? So this was a very tough time for you guys, and finally you will see the light. Yeah, we have great fortune, guys. And so yeah, and we have 2 + 6 is 8, right? And 8 is always a lucky number, right? It's about abundance, it's about prosperity, right? So yeah, it's an infinite symbol. Things were going round and round, and finally now you will have that. I feel for this pile, you will claim your freedom back. You will be free from this person. You will be free. You will be cutting cords emotionally, mentally, every way, spiritually, every way. You're going to cut yourself from this past. This is you were this like this. Why things are not happening for me? Now you're going to trust in the universe and believe. And yes, things are, we have this great fortune card. So happy times are coming. Okay, guys, I have to see that. Don't worry now, okay? You have suffered a lot. This pile, now you have suffered a lot, but finally things are going to be over. Maybe for some of you didn't get a job or something like that. Money wise also you struggled, but I see in that also you will be able to overcome that. But I see there are friends who are going to help you. Yeah, imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Look, yes, all the yes, I was right, you were working on yourself, and finally you're getting victorious on that. You are loving yourself, and finally all that thoughts, all the past is dissolving. You're giving the darkness to the universe, and finally you are embracing the light and creating new opportunities in your life. Yes, new things are coming your way. The past is over, guys. Don't hold on to it. Yes, I'm sure you will not, because you're going to get that victory. Whatever, if it's a document thing, if it's a career thing, you will be happy, okay? Finally, there is light. I see a strong light coming for you guys, okay? And there are friends also who will help you. Boundaries, okay? And Embrace love. So I feel you need to keep a boundary with everyone in your life. Maybe, you know, in the past you endured this much because you didn't have a healthy boundary. I feel in the future you will be doing that. You will be embracing love, you will be loving yourself and keeping a boundary. You will not go, maybe in the past people have cheated on you, they have done a lot of things to you guys, but you are growing spiritually, mentally you're getting stronger, I see. And yes, there is so lot of light, lot of love inside you, and you're gonna embrace, you know, embrace the love, embrace who you are. Okay, so yeah, this pile is like you are overcoming all your struggles and finally there is light coming your way. And yes, you're going to be very strong, people, because this you have learned something very hard way, and finally you're getting clarity. Finally you're going to be victorious. If you are searching for a job or financially you struggled, you will have new opportunities coming your way, and you're going to heal your past, and you're going to create new opportunities in your present moment. And I see your future is going to be bright. The light is coming, guys. Finally the light is coming. And yes, I know this pile is a very heavy pile. You have gone through a lot, but definitely you have worked a lot. So now is the time to keep the boundaries. Okay, remember always, don't keep always this healthy boundary, okay, with other people. Maybe you're these kind of people who help other people a lot without even caring for themselves. So it's important you care yourself first and then do, but at the same time be kind and compassionate to others also, and embrace love. Love yourself. And for this pile, I see you're loving yourself, you're enjoying yourself, you're going to be growing in your career, and then only you're going to be thinking about love. Okay, I don't see a lot of love, but definitely this is all about self love, loving yourself, getting out of the dark period, healing your past, and getting victorious. If you had this legal problems, you're getting victorious and moving forward with your life. And definitely in the future, I see you will be strong enough to get into love also. But definitely now is a time of self-love, getting out of all this document problems, anything that is, you will be victorious. Okay, so that's all. There is light coming, guys. Group number 2, take care, bye bye. Group number 3, if you choose the fan, then let's see what's coming next in your life. So for group number 3, you have chosen fan. So fan is used to, like, when the temperature is very hot, it gives us cooling, right? So I feel if you are going through a very tense situation in your love life, I feel things are going to be cooled down in the future. Okay, so yeah, things are going to be cooled down. If you are arguing with someone, if you are having a fight with someone, I think things are going to be cooling down. Things will cool down. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what's coming next. Yeah, 10 of Spades. You're very exhausted, you're very tired about this situation, or maybe you are feeling this relationship is a baggage because you have to do everything and they are not helping you, or you're feeling exhausted and you're feeling tired about this relationship. Maybe you are getting into this defensive mode where you have to prove yourself all the time. You're very exhausted about this relationship, or maybe they're very mature and you're getting, you know, they are maybe arguing with you for little small things and you're like very much exhausted. So yeah, but yeah, right now I feel you're very exhausted, but this is ending. Okay, this is ending. Things are cooling up, things are easing up for you guys. So let's see what else for group number 3. What's next in love for group number 3? Yeah, okay, you're like fighting. You're fighting, Sam. You're like a lot of stress energy. Yeah, 7 of Wands energy. Okay, look, we have back of the deck, we have 5 of Cups in reverse. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of disappointment going on here. Oh, we have 7 of Arrows. We have 2 sevens here, 7 of Staves, 7 of Arrows, and 9 of Coins. Okay, so you're very tired of this relationship, this person. Maybe this person is like gossiping about you, this person is having an affair or something like that, and you know that, and this person is very immature, I'm getting. Okay, you have been fighting for this person, you've been like fighting your own demons for this person, I'm getting. You have been fighting a lot, and finally you're like, I can't do this anymore and I'm gonna get out of the situation. And look at this 2 person, this 2 women here. Look at that. She is, you know, it's not about gender. So yeah. So this person is like very sad, they don't know what to do, and finally they are moving away. And look here, this person is so happy. 9 of coins energy. So finally things are easing up because you are moving away from this situation, from this person. Okay, you have dealt for a long time, and finally you have been disappointed. You have been disappointed in your own life, and you were like, why things are always like this, and why maybe you tried to change yourself a lot and nothing is happening here. Okay, I feel like that. Finally you are like, no, I cannot do this anymore, and you're very, very exhausted, and I see you getting out of this relationship. Maybe some of you are out of this relationship, and maybe some of you will be getting out of this relationship, and after that, look at this person. She is so happy, right? She's enjoying her freedom. You will be feeling free, and that is what the situation, you know, here you are getting out of this immature arguments. You were trying to prove yourself and nothing is working, and finally like, I can't do this anymore, and you're getting out of the situation. You're moving away from the situation, and because of that you're going to be happy in your love life. You will be loving yourself. You will be working on your own coins. Yeah, family. Okay, for some of you it can be a family thing. Maybe you're moving away from your family members, you know, a love yeah, I don't know why I'm getting that also. Family. Yeah, while shuffling I'm getting that family. You have been always trying to fulfill their expectations, doing this thing for them, and they're very narcissistic. Okay, they were trying, you felt unsupported, that no one was supporting you or something like that, and finally you are like, no, I cannot do this anymore, I'm getting out. Maybe you're moving away from your family. That can happen, and that will give you a lot of relief, and you're moving away from this family situation. So I feel like that, you know, you're getting out of your, maybe your family is very much controlling or something, and you don't like it. Fine, they might be trying to control you, maybe trying to put their expectations on you, and you're like, no, I cannot do this anymore, I'm exhausted, I cannot. And finally you are taking your power back and moving away from this. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, a fair person. Okay, maybe this is a person who you are moving away from. Yeah, or maybe this person will help you. There is a person who will help you, or maybe you're moving away from this fair man. Okay, maybe this is like your family member you're moving away from, or maybe this is the person who is like, I feel this person is a little bit immature. Okay, maybe flirty type of energy also I'm getting, and finally you're like fed up of this, and I can't do this anymore, and you're like working on yourself, working on your own coins. Yeah, you need to listen to your intuition. For some of you, definitely you're working on your own craft, and this craft is going to grow very much. I feel you'll be making your own money. Your career is going to thrive. Definitely I see that. Okay, self-love, lot of self-love energy, because she's a single lady. Oh god, lot of cards. I'll pick that up. Okay guys, wait a second, please give me a second. Okay, look at that. December month. Maybe you walked away from this person in the month of December. Good news. Yeah, finally. Bag, something important such as new job. Okay, yeah, definitely I see that. Forces working against you. Deep personal strength and peace that assures success, and disappointed in a friend or a lover. Yeah, definitely you are moving away from this person, or maybe you have already moved away, because we got this December, you know. So maybe last month you moved away from this person, and maybe you are getting a new job, new raise, or maybe you're starting your own business or something. Okay, finally you are moving away from this person. It can be a friend, maybe a lover who disappointed you. Maybe it can be a family member also I'm getting here. Okay, finally you're moving away from that. People who ditched. I feel like someone is like have done something behind your back, and you are getting out of that situation, and that is the good news, that you're getting out of that situation. And for some of you, definitely if you're working on your craft or something hobby, that will take place. You will be loving yourself, you'll be enjoying your own company. You're moving away from these kind of people. That is the good news here. Okay, so let's see what is the, yeah, things are easing up for you guys, because you're moving away from this 10 situations. You have endured a lot with the 7 of Wands and 7 of arrows. I'm getting that you have endured a lot, and finally you are out of this. You don't want to do this anymore. Yes, and you're right, you don't have to do this. Yeah, communication. Yeah, we have good news, and so something, if you're Yeah, we have 7th house. Okay, so maybe you will meet a new person who will give you that balance. Okay, that is also coming here. You didn't get that, right? So yeah, you have balance is coming your way. You have dealt with a lot of imbalance in your life, imbalanced relationship with your family members, with your love life, with your friends, and finally you are moving away from all these things. You're working on yourself. Okay, for some of you, definitely with this Mercury communication, maybe a new person will come into your life. Maybe you will be dating someone who will give you that equal relationship. But I feel right now you're not in that space where you're like, you want to date or something. But I see this person, whoever this person is, maybe it's like a friend or someone who will be like, maybe for some of you, I don't know, maybe this is a person from your past who will be contacting you, or maybe they will give you some opportunity, some work opportunity, that so that you can move away from this person. Okay, so yeah, I see travel for you guys. You might be moving places. Okay, and maybe for some of you, getting an inspiration that will help you blossom in your career, maybe in your creative field. And yeah, the good news is things are balancing. You're loving yourself. Okay, you're getting out of this immature relationship. I don't know what is this, but this was very toxic. You're getting out of it. Some of you, I see you are out of this and you're enjoying your life. And if you're planning to do a new business or something, I feel for this pirates, your love is your own career, your own craft. You're gonna love your craft. You're going to have balance. Look, we have 7th house. 7th house is balance in relationship, and we have this balance again, the word. So the things that were imbalanced is gonna balance. You're gonna balance your physical and mental health, and because of that, inside you the harmony will come, and that is when you will get the balance outside. So that is coming here. Okay guys, so remember, as I said, with this fan, things are going to ease up. And finally, I see that many people have moved out of that relationship, and now it's the time for good news. New job, new raise, bonus I'm getting. If you're doing something career wise, I see a lot of success. And through work, I think you might be meeting someone, and this relationship might take off for you guys. Okay, I see that happening for you guys. Yeah, lot of, we have this person, you have gone through these kind of arguments with a friend, with your lover, with your family members. They were blaming you. They were like narcissist people. Finally, you're getting out of that relationship. You're getting out. Look, you have door to romance. Yes, finally you're getting, look, we have a community. So yeah, you're forming for this pile, I see a lot of growth, self growth. You're connecting with your own consciousness. You're moving away from all the immature people, all the narcissist people you have in your life, and finally you are having that freedom, independence. You're forming a community. Okay, definitely you're meeting new people. You're going to have equal relationship, guys. Finally, that's the good news for you guys. You have dealt a lot. Okay, so some person is entering your life, I'm feeling. Yeah, okay, through work, maybe you will meet this person. Maybe this person is your boss or something like that, I don't know. But definitely through work, you might be meeting this person. Okay, and this person will give you a lot of balance, and that is when you will know how a balanced relationship is. Okay, I'm getting that energy here. Maybe you have already met this person, and you're not sure whether you should take that step. Okay, but I think you will take it eventually, because this person is going to give you a lot of happiness. Okay, and for this pile, I feel you didn't have that kind of friends who were loyal to you, and finally you will have that kind of friends also. Look, yeah, it's the time to reap the rewards. You have been I see career wise lot of growth for you guys with this 9 of cups. No one can touch you anymore, I'm getting here. People have done a lot of things to you. Narcissist relationship, family, in love life, friends wise. Finally, you're getting out of all that. You have learned your lessons, and you know whom to trust, and you are going to enjoy your freedom. You're going to enjoy your work, and in workplace, there will be people who will be helping you. You are going to have a lot of friend groups, okay, where people will support you. A lot of romance. Yeah, maybe you will connect with someone through your work. Yeah, maybe if you're doing something self-employment, I'm getting here, maybe you will meet this person. Will appreciate your work. Maybe you will collaborate with this person business wise, and then maybe this will turn into something romantic also. Okay, anyways, the good news, you're moving away from the people who just make noise, you know, they like to create drama. You're getting out of that kind of people. Wow, finally guys, I know how hard is it. My beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united. For love transcends space and time, nothing is missing. Okay, so for some of you, you haven't met this person, but definitely through work you will meet this person, through your craft. Yeah, this person is going to bring you a lot of happiness, guys, lot of romance. You're getting out all that, you know, some people just talk. They don't do that, you know, actions speak louder than words. I'm getting, they just talk, they don't perform anything. But this person will not be like this, okay? So yeah, definitely. Wow. Let your friends help you. Yeah, we have, I told you, there is a community there. You're forming now, right now you have you're forming a community where there, you know, it's a community of friends. Okay, maybe, you know, we had this back, I showed you this card, isn't it, the back of the deck. So these people will help you. You can ask advice from them because they are very good to you. So right now I see your friends, loyal friends are also coming your way. Okay, or maybe you have already met these friends. Okay, or maybe you will. A lot of friendship also, guys. These people are gonna vibe with you. Release your ex, release your past. This is not yours, you need to release it. Definitely, you're releasing it, moving forward with your life. Self-love, lot of self-love, lot of creativity, lot of business partnership. Okay, if you want to do some business related to your, yeah. Okay, we got this for group 1 also. A lot of chemistry and a lot of, yeah, past life relationship. So this person, you might meet this person through work. I'm getting here. Maybe you have already met them. You can ask your friends for advice, I'm getting. But there is a strong magnetic attraction because you have known this person through lifetimes. Okay, so yeah, definitely this person might communicate with you. Okay, if haven't already, yes, you can, you will receive a communication or some sort of that thing I'm getting here. Okay guys, yeah, definitely this is your, finally guys, yeah. But discernment, we have this discernment coming, so you need to listen to your heart, and that's why your friends are going to be playing a very important role here. You can ask your friends for advice and think before you take action, because you have gone through a lot in the past, and I feel you will be very much because of the past, you might be like very much like whether I should take this, whether I should meet this person, you will be like this. But definitely you need to trust your intuition. Think for some time, ask your friends for advice and then take action. But definitely with this, if your intuition is saying, you know, this, I completely feel like that this person you will meet to work or something. This person might communicate, maybe you will first talk about your work, maybe you do something self-employment something, and this person will give you work or something, and then this will blossom to love. I don't know, but definitely you will have a strong attraction here. Reconnection. Oh, okay, maybe this is your past, maybe this is your past friendship or something like that can also be happening. Okay, I feel like maybe this you know this person from your past, and maybe it's a childhood friend or something you will be reconnecting, or maybe it can be reconnection with your childhood friend, and this friend will give you a lot of good advice, I'm getting here. Yeah. So all I see is for you guys, things are easing up. The temperature is cooling down, the hotness is cooling down. You were going through a very tense period. Finally, you're moving away from that tense period. You're loving yourself. You're making your coins. If you're a very creative person, I see a lot of growth in your career area, and you will be connecting with your friends. Maybe, you know, childhood friends I'm getting. And definitely these friends will help you. Okay, these friends will help you a lot of you know, for your career. There is like definitely you're going to glow up. I'm getting, you're going to love yourself, and you're going to be very attractive. And I feel for many of you, you might meet this person through work or something. And yeah, always listen to your heart before you make a decision. That is very important. And your friends, you're making a community, you are building loyal friendship also. You didn't have that in past, right? So yeah, wow. Okay, group number 3, bye bye, take care.